In the vast theatre of the natural world, parenthood is the ultimate drama. It is a story told in countless languages of instinct, sacrifice, and survival. For most, this means building a nest or guarding a den. But in the freshwater kingdoms of Africa, Asia, and South America, one mother has rewritten the rules of devotion. She has created a sanctuary so radical, so intimate, it defies imagination. She has transformed her own body into a living nursery. This is the story of the Cichlid, and a maternal sacrifice so profound it is measured in starvation. For the Cichlid mother, the journey begins at the moment of creation. After a brief, swirling courtship, the female lays her clutch of eggs. They are tiny, vulnerable spheres of potential life, lying exposed on the riverbed. In this world, everything is a threat. Every shadow, every current, every passing fish is a potential end to her lineage. She cannot build walls. She cannot stand guard over a nest forever. So she does something extraordinary. With gentle precision, she turns and scoops each fertilized egg into her mouth. One by one, they are gathered from the dangerous outside world and brought into the only fortress she can offer. Her buccal cavity, the very instrument of her own survival, designed for eating, now serves a higher purpose. It becomes an incubation chamber, a living vessel, perfectly calibrated for the delicate process of life. Inside this dark, watery world, the eggs are safe. They are protected from predators, shielded from harsh currents, and kept at a stable temperature. The mother gently tumbles them with small movements of her jaw, ensuring each embryo receives a steady flow of oxygen-rich water. This is not a passive act. It is a constant, vigilant process. She is no longer just a fish. She is a guardian. Her world shrinks to the singular, all-consuming task of protecting the future she holds within. For weeks, this is her reality. As the world outside continues its ruthless cycle of hunting and feeding, her own jaws are sealed. She cannot eat. To open her mouth for food would mean releasing her brood to certain death. And so, she fasts. Her body, once strong and vibrant, begins to weaken. Her energy reserves dwindle, consumed not by her own needs, but by the silent, growing lives she so carefully protects. It is a profound biological bargain, her vitality for their survival. Then, a miracle unfolds in the darkness. The eggs hatch. Dozens of tiny, perfect fry now swarm within the confines of her mouth. They are no longer dormant embryos, but living, breathing fish with an instinct to explore. The time is coming for them to face the world. The mother knows this. Carefully, she finds a quiet, sheltered area. She opens her mouth and releases her children. A shimmering cloud of new life emerges, blinking in the light for the very first time. They are free, but they are also impossibly small in a vast, dangerous world. For these young fry, their mother is not just their creator. She is their entire universe, and their sanctuary remains open. At the slightest hint of danger, the flicker of a predator's fin, a sudden shadow from above, a silent signal passes between them. The mother opens her mouth wide, a silent, urgent invitation. And in a breathtaking display of instinct, the cloud of fry collapses upon itself. Dozens of tiny bodies reverse course in an instant, surging back into the one place they know means absolute safety. They pour into her mouth, a living current of absolute trust. She is their mobile safe room, their ever-present retreat. This incredible dance of protection and retreat can continue for weeks. Each day, the fry venture a little farther, growing stronger and more confident under their mother's watchful eye. And each day, she grows weaker. Her sacrifice is etched onto her own body. She is a shadow of her former self, gaunt and depleted, having given everything to her offspring. Her journey is a testament to the raw, unwritten laws of nature, where the continuation of life is the only victory that matters. Finally, the day comes when the bond must be broken. The fry are now large enough and smart enough to survive on their own. She releases them one last time, and this time they do not return. They scatter, each one a tiny vessel of her legacy, ready to begin their own journey. The mother, exhausted and emaciated, is finally free to eat. Her purpose is fulfilled. She has weathered starvation to give the ultimate gift, a chance at life. This is more than just animal behavior. It is a portrait of devotion, a silent, powerful story of what it means to be a parent in a world where survival is everything. To continue exploring the marvels of the natural world, subscribe to Animal Insight 360 and join us on the next journey.